So another tip that I like to do, right? Sometimes I'm making on the beat, right? I like to go here, transpose, and I just transpose the beat until I find a key. You know what I mean? That I like to stay in. You know what I mean? So I have some progressions here, right? Progression kits, and I'll take like this piano, well, this Rhodes, and play it with it. I mean, that's the Rhodes I did for this. So I'll just the vocal made with Masada MIDI progressions. Like I said, if you don't know how to play, you know what I mean? I make it real easy for you. You know what I mean? Yeah, I know it's distorted. I did that on purpose. I'm just messing around, you know? Go to psychokit.com, support your boy or whatever. Support me like I support you. I appreciate it. All right, take care.